Hello, welcome to Tech Hub. In this video, you will learn how to choose default apps to open any application. Simply go to settings. You can go to settings by clicking on Windows icon in bottom left, or you can search for settings. When you have settings open, click on apps, then click on default apps. Here you have list of default apps. You can change default apps for opening email. If you want to change default app, just click on here. Here you have list of apps. You can choose one of them. If you don't see your favorite app here, you can look it for in Microsoft Store. You can download, install and make it default. If you want to change media player, default media player, web browser, photo viewer, music player or maps viewer, you can choose your favorite app from the list or you can download it from the Microsoft Store. So let's change the video player default app. Here VLC media player is default app right now. I change it to Windows media player. So just click from from the list Windows media player. Here you can see that now my media player is default media player is Windows media player. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment. Thank you.